Hi, thanks for checking out another one of our videos. This is going to be a little show and tell video of this particular unit. This is a Gallagher M1800 old style. This particular unit's a 2006 model. It's had some work done on it before we got our hands on it. Had a newer transfer put in back in 2013, and that's what it needed again today. New transformer, and the terminal bolt in the front was burned up. Part of the threads were ate up off it, so we put another one of those on there. But it's working fine. Oh, and replaced the green light bulb on it as well. So if you got one of these, want us to take a look at it for you, be happy to tinker on it for you. Some parts are getting harder to find for them. I mean, you can still get boards for them. Transformers are about obsolete. I don't know if you can find them and things anymore. Gallagher makes those transformers in-house in their own factory. So here's the old transformer that we pulled out of it. It's all, see, it's got a 2013 number on it. But it was just all ate up and stressed out, burned up, that sort of stuff. So we might be able to get the right situation. We might be able to retrofit a different transformer inside this if we had to. Just didn't try because we had one in stock, so we just put that in there and got it going. And that solved the issue of what his trouble was. So I got two lights in the front, green power light, and I kind of a orangey auburn colored fence light. That green light is just your power light, tells you, hey, the power's on. It's dummy light's all it is. The bottom light's your fence, like performance light, whatever. If that light's flashing while it's clicking, then means your voltage is over like 3,000 volts or higher. If it's not flashing, typically you got a bad short in the fence if it's below 3,000 volts. And the only way to know for certain is to unplug it, unhook the fence and ground from it, plug it back in. That light goes back to flashing, typically you got a bad short in the fence somewhere. I guess it could be burned out, but that's not common for that bulb to burn out. But we'll put a tester across there and show you the voltage. We're getting about, I think, 8 to 9 kV out of it. Yeah, between 8 and 9. It's 18 stored joule, probably 9, 10, 11 output. So packed a pretty good punch. We'll put a screwdriver across it. We'll go from ground and get kind of close to the fence terminal, see what kind of spark it throws. So it left a pretty good burnt spot in my screwdriver right there. Tip's not too burnt up, but right there is all burnt up. But nice hot charger. So if you got one of these fence chargers, no matter if it's a M1800 Gallagher or some other brand and model, welcome to send it in to us for repair. Just realized this someone wrote Gallagher on here and spelled it wrong. I forgot. What's it got? Yeah, it's got an H after the G, second G. Alright, well, that's it for this little video. Time for me to call it a day. And we'll see you guys later on. If you got a fence charger, send it on in.